Yo, what up mga friends? So, try natin to mabit tower na to. So, ito pala yung bunso ko. Mag-race kami doon sa end.
Yes.
Tara, let's go.
Oh, this is a wall hop. Guys, we need to have this a wall hop. You can't catch me. You're already on the end. Okay? No! Nah, I can beat this tower. Easy.
Na. Nahulog ako, guys. Okay lang yun. Okay. Ah.
No, yay! This really, guys. I need help to beat this tower. Still, I can beat Kuya. Wait, Kuya, I have to tell you something. What?
Malapit ako mamatay, guys.
Dead.
Okay. Dito.
Dito?
Kailang yun.
What the hell is doing that? Please respawn. I will not respawn.
Okay lang yun, guys.
I'm winning! Guys, need to video.
1, 2. Ay. Ah. Okay. Okay. Paldo. Okay. Paldo. Ah! Huwag kang mamatay. Mag-quit talaga. Ah!
No, I'm dead. I'm good.
Restart na naman natin, guys. Wait lang. Yun, guys. So, I'm back. Try na natin ulit to.
Yay! I'm beat this player easily.
Try natin beat yung kapatid ko, guys.
No, okay. Yes, okay, yes. Yeah, I'm trying out that jetpack. Hi. I'm leaving this game like easy one. Jetpack. I'm almost at the finish line. It's our goal. What's this tower? This place is all.
Okay, guys, that's the end of my video. So, I'm gonna quit this tower because I keep falling.
Me too.
That's the end of my video. So, I'm Vince and I'm out.